Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shazib Naqvi. I live in San Antonio, Texas. So my question for fasting in Ramadan, I will be traveling the first week of Ramadan from March 12th to March 18th. That's about 7 days. So for my travel, I was wondering how that process of fasting will work because, when you travel, you do namaz, it's qasr when you travel. So I was wondering if it's the same thing for fasting rosas as well. Will they also be qasr, or do I get to do them in another city, or how does that work? How does that work? So please let me know. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I have received many questions regarding fasting during travel. The simple answer is that if you travel to a place and stay there for less than 10 days, you cannot observe fasting. However, if you stay there for at least 10 or more days, you must observe fasting and your roza will not be qasr. Another question is about the day we leave and return from travel. For example, if you're traveling from Houston to New York after Zohor, then your fast for that day is still valid. Whether you do iftar at your destination or on the way, the fast will still be valid. The main point is if you want to keep your fast, you must travel after Zohor. If you start your journey before Zohor, your fast for that day is invalid. It's a journal rule. However, there is one exception to make your fast valid even if your journey starts before Zohor. This exception has two parts. First, wherever you travel to, you must stay there for at least 10 or more days. And second, you must also arrive at your destination before Zohor. If these two rules are not broken, then your fast is valid. Now, when you are returning home from travel and you want to save your fast for that day, it is necessary that you reach your city before Zohor. And obviously, by that time, you should not have done anything that invalidates your fast.